Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to cover how to run Facebook paid advertising for dentists. Let's get into it. So basically, Facebook dentists, Facebook ads, I'm going to show you guys which ones I specifically like to use on this website, facebook.com/ad/library, which you yourself can actually look that up yourself. And then we're going to show you I'm going to show you how to actually put them in the ads manager and get it all set up for you. Okay. So let's just go from the very top here and I'll show you what to do. So just type in dentist or dental or whatever you want to search, and then a bunch of ads will start to pop up. So when you're looking at the ads here, a lot of the first ones are ads that people have been running for a very short period of time, because it said started running on December 8th and it's the 10th. So it's only been running for 2 days. So that tells me they're just testing these ads. They don't actually know if they work or not. You have to test different ads to see if they work. But that tells me this ad hasn't been running a very long time. So it might not be a very good ad. We don't know. Let me see here which ones I like to see. Hopefully my screen doesn't cover that up. Okay. So as I'm going through here, I do like the before and after ads. Those ads typically I've seen work very, very well. Okay, so definitely try the before and after ads. Those work very well. These types of ads where it's a bunch of tools, I wouldn't do those ones. It's just not ideal. I'm looking through here, the people with their smiling faces like this one here, that ad would probably work. I might try that one out. That's not my very top favorite, but that ad does work. This one, it's okay. It's not my top favorite. I'm looking for my top favorite ad. This ad right here is very, very funny. That's actually a funny ad. So those ads are good things to try, but I wouldn't say it's my favorite. Okay. But it doesn't hurt to try it, because what even though I know a lot about Facebook ads, I don't know specifically which pictures are going to work. You're going to have to test that out yourself it's called split testing. So, I'm not 100% on everything because I can't test every single image out there, but I have an idea of what I like to see. Okay. So this ad right here, do you see how they have the phone number in the image and they're smiling? This image right here is a lot better if they would just crop this image and get a little bit closer, and just crop out that top part and crop out for some reason I feel like it's too far back in the image. If they could somehow get closer to the image, or get closer to, if they had like a pedestal they could step on and get closer to the text and also be closer in the image, that would be a lot better for this ad here. Versus this ad where they're just closer in the image. See how they're closer? So this ad's closer in the image, but they don't have a phone number in the image. This ad, they're further away in the image, but they have the phone number right in the image. So one ad does good on one thing and one ad doesn't. So it's just whatever that thing. This picture where there's obviously the dentist right there and the patient, those are the type of ads I like to run, where you can clearly see the person and the patient. So those ads I do recommend. This one right here. Okay, I'm not going to make this video too much longer, but you've seen some stuff that I prefer. Let me just look through here. So these ads, those seem to work for people because they're posting a lot of those ads. But I do recommend having the phone number in the ad, but have a picture like this. That would work pretty darn good. Let's go through here. I would recommend you and the patient smiling. So kind of like this one. Okay. This is a really good image, so I'm going to save that image. You're going to have to use your own images, get them from Google or wherever you get them from, or get your own images. Preferably, your own images are the best. We're going to create a campaign. Okay. Click on engagement. Continue. So now we're in the Facebook Ads Manager. Okay. You can title it whatever you want, it doesn't matter. So let's say you're a dentist business, okay? So you're gonna run this for your business, right? Practical things that you can do. You're gonna run this messaging ad to your Facebook business page, okay? And this is gonna target people on in your local area, okay? So don't click anything here, just leave it, okay? Click on the ad set, it's called the ad set. Messaging apps, what we want, okay? Click to message, what we want. Set this at $5, real simple, $5. We don't want to do too much too fast. $20 is quite a bit. We'll save that when the ad actually shows that it works. For right now, we're not going to do $20 because we don't want to waste money if the ad's not going to work. Okay. So we'll do all ages, all genders, leave that like that, and then just target people in your area. So do St. Louis, which is my area, right? Location here, edit, my bad. So do St. Louis, which is my area, right? Put the city, 25-mile radius is good enough. You can go 30-mile, 35-mile, but it just 25 is usually okay. Advantage placements, leave it like that. Click on the ad itself, okay? Now we're in the ad itself, so make sure your Instagram account's connected. You don't have to, but it's recommended. Then select your page. Then you're going to create the ad as a single image here. We're going to add the media. Okay. And then just upload your media, put it in there. The text, what you're going to do is wherever you're from, do hey, Saint, I got all caps on, but Louis areas. There he does. Okay. We offer dental services near you. Call, text 555-555-555. Okay, so basically my outlines of ads are call the person, call your area out, your city, and then areas and nearby areas. So you could do and here. I'm not making this like very, like I'm gonna publish it. It's just a rough rundown. Just call out your area and then offer what services you provide. So maybe under here you offer like checkups, whitening, cavity removal. So put in every service you have. People will look at that, and then also whenever they've seen your ad, they see what services you offer. Your phone number is right here, so they can call you, and then you would say call or text 555 555 555. Okay, so they can also call you there, and then what's really good is if you put a tooth emoji in the headline here, because that makes people really it just makes it a lot better. So put a little tooth emoji right here, and that will help you guys. Call to action, send a message, and then you can edit what conversations you have. So you're gonna have to play around with this part, but you can edit your conversations you have with people. And then if you have a pixel, which I recommend, you would set up your pixel here, and then you just click publish, and then you always want to duplicate 4 copies. Okay, 4 different copies we're going to duplicate. And you want to test 5 pictures. Okay, so you should have 5 pictures total, and you want to test all those pictures to see which picture does the best. And once you get a picture that does really good, that's the picture you want to use for your ad every single time. Okay, so you're just testing different pictures until one works. So each one of these will have the same ad text, same ad placement, same everything, except the picture will be different for each one of these. And then yeah, so it's going to spend $5 on all 5 of these ads. So it's going to be $5 a day only, and it's going to spread that out, and it's going to automatically select the best performing ad for your thing. Okay, so that's why you test different pictures to get the best one. So that's about it, guys. I covered basically everything you want to see here. I covered my favorite ads that I saw. And then I also gave you some good tutorial on how to set up your ad so you can actually use it for your dentist visits. And I'm just going to drop my my course, my $7 course down below, which teaches you how to basically market your business. Just going to drop that in for you guys. Otherwise, guys, I will see you guys on my next video. So take care. See you guys.